Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we will learn about something. Truthy and falsy value. So we have three variables. Erbil, Maysan, Duhok, Mosul. So these cities in Iraq. So in El city we have many names, Muhammad, Ahmed, Ali, and other names. Okay, the first thing I will make variable name input and enter your name. Enter your name. Okay, and then say if name dot layer in Erbil print or not print, make the office variable equal Erbil with capital letter Erbil, and else if name dot layer in like Maysan. Okay, office is equal Maysan. And I'll have another elif. Another elif is the Hawk or Mosul. So the office will be also Mosul with capitalized. The first letter is capital. And okay, the Hawk. The elif is the Hawk. Okay, let me copy the Hawk and paste the Hawk and copy this code, post this code, copy this code, post this code, change the first letter, and the else is office equal empty. So the truthy and falsy value, if I put if office, the default value is a true. Okay, a print if the employee name work in office else print if not found name. So this is a truthy and falsy value. So a truthy and falsy value, if the data is empty value, like the empty value like empty list, empty dictionary, empty curly braces, double quotation, single quotation, so and and false 0 number, the value is false, the opposite true. So if the data, one of them data is false, is the another thing like like 1 2 3 100 100.77 minus 9, another numbers, list with data, okay, a dictionary, so it's Truthy. So that's difference between Truthy and Falsy value. Goodbye.